if your hypothesis is not supported by the data.
Oh my gosh, it's going. There it goes.
Hey, what are you doing? What is this, your tail? Get out of there. Lounging, lounging.
Are you stuck? That's your own fault. You should have been gonna get it.
$1,000 winner is...
Oh my gosh! Too fast!
Giant black cat attacks Christmas village.
This is why we don't have decorations. That's why.
Get out of the tree now. Go. Get out of the tree. Get out of the tree. Now. Spooky, get down right now. Oh. What's in the tree? Quit. You demon. You hellcat, quit.
Sam? What are you doing up in there? Sam? Sam, that's the tree. Why are you in the middle of the tree? Why? Did you just want to see how far you could get? What can you get back down? Okay, I'll get you down. Okay, right now.
You're gonna fall. What? She's gonna fall.
She wants it so bad.
Got it!
Yeah!
Ivan, what are you doing? Seriously, Kat? What are you gonna do? What are you eating? Oh my god, can you please get down?
Always supply the drinks.
Get out of my tree! Get her out! She's gonna ruin it! It almost fell over!
Excuse me, that's not your gift. That's not your present.
Matt!
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. There's no point. Wait, you're not there yet. There she is. She peeked on first.
What are you doing, Opie?
That's naughty. Get out of the Christmas tree, Ope. That's a bad kitty.
What are you doing?
Oh no, kitten, what happened? What happened? Violet, were you trying to get in the tree?
Yeah.
Are you stuck on a...
Say hi to us, Maybelline. Oh, she's still down here. Usually she goes straight up above the red bow by your right hand. Oh, don't let it fall. No.
Apparently we don't need ornaments. Let's go see what Cole's doing. Cole, what are you doing, Cole?
Oh, you need to come over this way. Or look, he's poking out. They're both poking. They're both coming out the side of the tree.
What's going on over here? Well.
Oh, the whole entire tree. Hold on, wait, back away, Hope.
Maybe we should keep this one.
Really, Cat? Look, Emily. Look. He's trying to...
Wow.